Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. One of the biggest challenges people face isn't information, it's knowing where to begin. Some people are rebuilding financially, some are contractors trying to win bigger opportunities, some need better business systems, and some represent schools, churches, nonprofits, and community organizations. The good news is that you don't have to figure everything out today. You just need to start where you are. In this short presentation, I'll show you the four doors into the Jomar ecosystem and help you find the one that fits you best. Be blessed.